bong bong bang bong bong ใส่ใจรอมที่ละโบสรงสวนกลางเพลงชูมัดเท้าครองบังเต็งสะอามาร้อยกระบองจังเด็กแต่หรือจังเด็กมุง
Ikot! 5 laps! Okay, riding for King Yama Luis up. 5 seconds and it's showtime! Okay, it's Pia Gabriel on the lead. Got the whole on. Pumunta na muna sa una. No? Yung pag-repusol, tulong na muna ang kalibutan. No? The whole Pilipinas, batang panig. Pero no, usogin yung mayo. Anyway, alias ay Bumbaga. Okay. Isuot. Katulong. Tama ba? Okay. Okay, ano mong tanong ha? Pwede mo tanong kung mga bata yan. Mag-pro. Mag-pro ninyo. Mag-pro sa mga ladies class. And Tirol. Tirol from Cebu. And Bohol. Bangon nililiko ni Julia. From Tagbilaran. Alright, the third. Motoray ko lang. Motoray ko lang. Garantisado. No? Kay Kursunada. Kanin mo. Dili. Ha? Isog ni kulang. Huwag yung kay gold. No? Okay, white flag from Pia Gabriel. Riding or going south. From Cebu. And third, coming up to the white flag is Miss Ridulia. Oh my! Pinalili mo. Okay, one more lap to go. Ano lang sa puyo. Okay, asa ka po ako wow. The racing team. The island of Bohol, from the island of Cebu, Negros, Leyte, and of course Mindanao. One rider, no? Ani yung trip sa Gayong Kayang Mindanao. Anyway, sa lahat po ng rider ng Bohol, island of Bohol, nagkagay salamat kay
start engine!
Okay? Okay, Inyole Motocross. Now this is the first Corellia Motocross Racing 2022. Time check tayo.
Start!